our friends! Today we're going to draw a horse to celebrate Chinese New Year. According to the Chinese calendar, 2026 is the year of horse, and I'm going to show you how to draw a horse easily. We're going to first use a pencil to sketch the basic shape for reference, and then we're going to switch to a marker to finish with the details. Now let's get started. So we'll first start by using a pencil and draw an oval for the horse's head, right? So it doesn't have to be very precise, just like approximate shape, because we're going to use a marker to finish the details later. Now let's draw another oval here. Just as a reference for us to say how big the horse is, right? So this is how big approximately the horse's body is. And now with these two references, now let's use a marker and we are going to add details to it. So first we'll start by drawing at the muzzle of the horse. So I'm going to trace over this pencil line right there. And from here, let's draw the mane. So a curved line out, comes back in, another curl, okay? And here, let's draw the ear. An almond shape within the ear, and just connect to the ear right there. Over here, let's draw the other ear and the almond shape again there. Now let's finish the head by drawing the eye. So a circle and a smaller circle within for the highlight, and shade in the rest of the eye. Now for the muzzle, let's draw a curved line right there, two nostrils, and a cute smile. So 2026 is the year of a horse according to the Chinese calendar. And it was said that long time ago in ancient China, people didn't know how to measure years. So the emperor at that time decided that he'll hold a race. And then so he called all the animals and said, okay, so the first 12 animals who wins the race will have a year named after them for each animal. So then 12 animals won the race, and there is a year named after each animal. So that means every 12 years, the animals, is the year of horse again. So for example, 2026 is year of horse, right? And so 2026 minus 12, that is 2014. So 2014 was also a year of horse. And minus 12 again from 2014, that is 2002. So 2002 is also a year of horse. Okay, so I was just tracing this line, and then here on the back of the horse, let's just dip slightly and comes back up there. So that's the main body of the horse, and I'm gonna finish off by drawing the other two legs. And this leg. going to curl it in. So looks like that the horse is raising the leg. Okay, and now let's draw the tail. So curl. Now let's draw the hooves. Connect this part to the ear and draw the rest of the mane by drawing a curly line down along the neck. And then let's now just draw some decorations. There. So now I'm going to use an eraser to erase the pencil lines, and then we're going to color it. We did it! Happy Year of Horse, everyone! I'll see you next time. Bye bye!